In this video, we will learn about how to make a 3D cube in Photoshop. So, let's start. At first open Photoshop 7.0. Now take a page by clicking Ctrl N. Now click on the Filter menu, and Render, and 3D Transform. Now click here on Cube Tool, M, and draw it here. Use Move tool and change its position. Now we have to move it using this tool. From here we can increase or decrease the size of the cube. The cube is fairly complete. Click on OK. Now we have to take images. Now we will match one corner of the image with one corner of the cube. Now hold the Control key to the keyboard, and hold the corner of the image with the mouse cursor, and match it like this. And press the Enter key. Set the second and third images in this way. Now it's complete. We can edit it further. For that, click on Brush tool. Put 5 pixel here. Now take a new layer. Layer number 4. And now click on the Pen tool. Now draw a line like this. Click on right-click on the mouse, and click on Stroke Path. Select here Brush, and click OK. Now, drag the layer number 4 to up. Click on right-click on the mouse, and click on Delete Path. Now, we can apply page color. So, double-click on background layer. And click OK. Again, double-click on this layer. Now, click on Gradient Overlay. From here, we can take anything. Now, we can save it. And we can save it in PNG format. So, hit that like and subscribe button if you like the video. Thanks for watching.